Excited ako guys, isuot. Limited edition yung dala kong damit. Kaya, kasi walang time pumunta at bumili ng damit. Puro gala-gala. Okay. Hoy. Actually, meron pa siya ditong ilalagay. I got 2 colors. Wow, pang consensus. O, diba? So, super talaga. Yan, I'm preparing, okay, I'm preparing to do business later for today's, for today. Ayan. Syempre, I always carry with me my stem cell spray mist, beauty mist, stem cells. Oh, no drop of water. It's all from the squeezed petals of rose. The mess up room. I'm alone. Nice one. So, here my work area. Here. So, this is actually good where I can, invite friends so I can present the business with them. This is a spacious room. Spacious room. Of course, they have this bathtub. So, you see the TV. I don't watch TV. Yay. So, there you go. After I fix everything here, I prepare for this afternoon presentation, business meeting. I'll prepare to go out and walk around and see what's in this area. Abaya. Abaya. Okay.